Hey, what's up, guys? Well, you can see this. April 2nd, and we got hit with a lot of snow, at least 3-4 inches, maybe even more actually. But I'm crazy enough to go fishing today. I'm off today from work, so why not? Let's go fish. At least we know the lakes aren't frozen, so see if we could get something out here today. I just can't believe that it's April and we had this much snow already. This is crazy weather. It's been a really crazy winter up here in the Northeast, but let's not let that bring us down. Let's get to the lake and let's see if we can catch some fish. Alright, so I made it out to the water, and the lake looks pretty good. It's pretty calm over here. A little bit of wind on that side, but I'm probably going to work my way over that way. But I can't believe this. Look at the snow is everywhere. April 2nd, and we got like 3 to 4 inches of snow. Some crazy weather we've been getting in the Northeast. But so today I'm going to start off with the Rapala Ripstop jerkbait. It's a fairly new jerkbait that came out, and it worked pretty well for me in the winter. So I'm going to start off with this and just switch up lures a lot today, because the goal for today is try to catch some bass. Maybe get that pre-spawn bite. Even though I think the water temps are still kind of cold, so I don't think they're getting ready to spawn yet. It's not really helping when we get this kind of weather. We're getting snow in April. So I'm just working this jerkbait slow. I'll do a retrieve, some jerks, and I'll just let it sit then for a couple seconds. I'm just still trying to work it slow because I know the water temps are still pretty cool, so fish aren't active like they are in the summer yet. Some crazy weather, man. It's cold out today too. It's only about 37 degrees. I think 37. It could only be like 35, 36 right now. But just the other day, it was like t-shirt weather, sunny out, 60 degrees. I actually was doing some saltwater fishing, trying to find some maybe holdover stripers, but had no luck on that. Got skunked out. Oh, there we go, fish on. Wow, he feels nice. Wow, he's strong. Oh, I think that's why we foul hooked the pickerel. I was wondering why it was pulling so hard. Wow, that's cool. Alright, let me get my tools out for him because we got to get him off. Alright, so we got to get this hook out of him. Nice, at least we got our first fish. Yeah, that was barely hooked on him. I'm surprised I didn't lose him. Alright, so we got a nice pickerel start off the morning here. Kind of wasn't a legit catch because it was foul hooked, but he did hit at it. So let's let him go. Yep, there he goes. Alright, so that's cool. So we got one so far on the Ripstop jerkbait. So I know the fish are biting out here. They don't care that it's snowing out. Sweet, let's see if we can get more now. So that pickerel actually hit at the jerkbait. I think when I had it just sitting there, he must have missed it, because when I like kind of set the hook, because I felt it, I think it got him on the back then. I was wondering why he was pulling so hard. I thought I had like a 6-pound bass. I was like, yes. Gotta love when they foul hook. Yeah, there we go. Fish on. He hit that on the paws. Nice largie. He's a little one. Alright, at least we got a largemouth. Alright, we got our first bass today. Nice little largie. Again, I think, just like the pickerel, hit on the paws. So they're definitely liking them slow. Alright, he's good. Cool. Got our second fish on the jerkbait. I was thinking of switching it up because I didn't get anything for like the past half hour, 45 minutes. But I think I'm going to stay with this jerkbait still. Keep trying this a little bit more. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll try a Keitech. See if they're working that bottom a little bit better. Do like a 4-inch easy shiner Keitech on a 1/8 ounce Jighead. But right now, can't complain. This Ripstop's working great. It's landing me fish. There we go, fish on. Yeah. Another largie. Well, he's a jumper. Hopefully we don't lose him. Alright, we got him. Ooh, got him. Got him a good hook set. Alright. Got ourselves another largie. They actually feel pretty warm. They feel a lot warmer than the air right now. That's awesome though. They look nice and healthy too in this lake. That's good. Looks like they're eating well. It's got a red mouth. He's been eating at some craws maybe. Alright, let's let him go. Whoa, he jumped out of the water. Alright. That was sick. Cool little largemouth right there. So they're biting good today. Seems like these bass, they're liking this April snow. I'm kind of not minding it either. Gave me the day off to get out and go fishing. I'll take it. Alright, the wind's starting to pick up pretty strong, so I'm going to switch. I'm going to take this jerkbait off and maybe put the Keitech on with a Jighead. It's getting kind of hard to cast this because this only weighs, I think, 1/4 ounce and it's catching the wind. At least with a Jighead, I can maybe cut through the wind a little bit better, kind of work the bottom of the lake too. So yeah, I'm going to go change that up right now. Alright, so put on a Jighead and I actually had this one already rigged up with a 3-inch easy shiner, so I'm going to start with the 3-inch, and after this gets beat up or just not feeling it, I'm going to put the bigger one on. But it can't hurt to start off a little finesse with a smaller plastic. So I'm just going to work this in like slow retrieve and just keep hopping it along the bottom. Hopefully there ain't too much grass that it's going to get hung up on. Right now it feels like it's okay. Ooh, it feels like the sun wants to pop out. I could so use that right now. My hands are so cold. Oh, yeah, we got a fish. Nice, I thought he picked it up. I waited to let him make sure he gets that in. Alright, we got him. Hopefully it doesn't pull. Alright, so that's a nice bass on the Keitech. Just hopefully we can land them. There we go, we got him. Ooh, there we go. Got a bigger bass now. All it took was to use the Keitech. Little 3-inch swim easy shiner. Ooh, there we go. That's a nice bass. Definitely a nice guy. He's got some weight to him too. He's a little fatty. Sweet. There he goes. Let me just inspect the Keitech. Looks pretty good. This is just a 3-inch easy shiner. And I got a bigger bass than I did on the jerkbait, so I'm going to keep using it. Oh no, snag. Oh, darn it. Well, that's what happens when you're working bottom. Get into these snags sometimes. Ah. Yeah, we lost that jig. I'll just tie up another one. No biggie. Alright, so we're back in action. Tied up a fresh new jig head. Got a nice new Keitech on it. Still going with the 3-inch. Seemed like that bass really liked the finesse style, so let's keep it on the smaller side. And I got plenty of jig heads, so if we snag more bottom, get stuck out there, it's alright. I got plenty. Oh, we got a fish right here. Alright. Yeah, bass. Wow, he smacked it right by the shore. I was about to lift that jig head out of the water too. Nice. Ooh, that was like barely hooked. Nice, we got another bass on the Keitech. He hit literally right here in front of me too. I like almost saw him hit it. Sweet. See you later, guy. Oh, there we go. Fish. Ah, he pulled. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it because it's a little after 2 p.m. and I got to this lake at like 10:30 in the morning, so I put in quite a few hours here today. And it was a great day though. I mean, not weather-wise, we got all this snow and it's cold out, but I caught a pickerel and I caught a bunch of bass, so that was really cool. I didn't get to switch up as many lures as I wanted, but the Ripstop jerkbait and this Keitech, 3-inch Keitech, did me really good today on this outing. Got me a bunch of fish. So hope you guys enjoyed this crazy little April snowstorm fishing outing. And give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.